Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make seasoned spinach easy method. Start by wilting fresh baby spinach in a hot skillet with 1 tablespoon olive oil and a pinch of salt, stirring constantly. Add 2 cloves minced garlic, cook 30 seconds until fragrant. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Toss to combine and finish with a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of sesame oil. I will show variations for seasoning and texture. To add creaminess, fold in 2 tablespoons ricotta or a splash of heavy cream off heat. For a smoky note, finish with 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil and a pinch of smoked paprika. Boost brightness with a tablespoon lemon juice and chopped parsley. For a spicy kick, stir in 1 teaspoon chili oil or red pepper flakes, adjusting heat to taste now. Quick tips to keep your seasoned spinach fresh and flavorful. Use very high heat and a hot pan to wilt spinach quickly without stewing it, tossing constantly for even cooking. Pat leaves dry to avoid watery texture and salt gradually to prevent limpness. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days and reheat gently in a skillet with a splash of water to revive texture for flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.